Today we're unboxing and reviewing the BetaFPV Pavo Femto, one of the smallest Cinewhoops on the market right now. Let's dive into the box and see what we've got. Right out of the package, you'll find a set of spare props, a screwdriver, a little bag with mounting screws, and a quick start guide. Simple, but everything you need.
Shook when you're caught off guard. Scope laugh so hard, I'm dead.
Also get the Pavo Femto itself. Super compact, clean design, and incredibly lightweight. It comes pre-built and ready for action. For this build, we're using a 2S 450 mAh 100C battery, which gives it a nice balance between power and flight time without adding too much weight. And of course, we've got the DJI O4 Air Unit on board, so expect some crispy digital video during the flight. Alright, let's take it to the air. This thing feels amazing in the air. It's incredibly stable for its size and super quiet. The controls are smooth and responsive, even on a 2S battery. I'm impressed by how locked in it feels during slow cinematic moves. It's perfect for indoor flights or tight outdoor spaces. The O4 video feed is sharp with almost zero latency, and the drone holds its altitude surprisingly well for something this tiny. Overall, first impressions are solid. The Pavo Femto delivers a super fun, controlled flight experience in an ultra lightweight package. If you're into micro drones or just want a quiet Cinewhoop for indoor use with HD video, this little guy is worth a look.
You is the way you know. Oh man, when it's just okay. Period ends what you say. Purr when you agree loud. Shrug you when lame and proud.